Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use Synthesia AI. It's actually an AI video maker. So how to use it, I'm going to tell you in this video. You just have to follow my steps and I'll tell you how to use it for free. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open Google Chrome. And once when you're here, you have to write Synthesia. And you can see Synthesia is right here. It's the best AI video generator. So I'm going to open it. So once when you're here, you can see there's this option, create a free AI video. So Synthesia, let me just tell you a bit about Synthesia. You can actually create videos like this. You can write the text here, and once when you write the text, the person will start to speak, and then you can add features like gesture, and you can also add vocal features, like if you want to make the person more cheerful or you want to make them more sad, or how should they sound, should they sound real or should they sound fake, because a lot of AI voice options you see nowadays, they are fake. So they have this option to make it sound more natural and more real. So without much ado, let's click here. So this is the version that this is how the video will look like. So we're going to write something here. Let me just write it and I'll get right back to you. So here you go, guys. I've written this and let's see what the other features are. Okay, so there are actually three versions, that we can use. This one is more like a sales pitch, and this one is a compliment thingy, and this is actually the demo version. So if we see sales pitch, hey John, Evelyn from ACME here. As promised, I'm sending you a brief summary of the key points of the proposal. Let's just go with this, this version, because I just wrote it. Let's just fix these errors up and let's click here. Let me just write my email and my name and my details here, and then I'll get back to you. So here you go, guys. I've written my details. Now I'm going to click here. So they're going to email me the video. They are actually going to send it to me shortly. And once they have sent me, then we'll see how the video looks. So let me just open my email here and I'll get back to you. So here you go, guys. I've just got this email and they're telling me the video is ready. So let's see how is our video.
Hi guys, this is for my YouTube video. I hope you find it informative and like it. Please don't forget to like or subscribe to the channel.
So you see, this is our video. I still believe there is a degree of fakeness in it. Like you can just, recognize that this is all AI. However, if you use their version, which is not free, their subscription version or the paid version, then I believe the vocals get improved, and then you can tweak the backgrounds and the gestures as well. I didn't found any problem with the background or the facial expressions, but for me the voice was a bit turn off. So I believe once you buy their subscription version, then the voice also gets improved. Otherwise, the basic feature of Synthesia is just this. You have to type it and you have to tweak some settings like gesture, and you can change the voice, and then you can add music to it. And that's it. It's very easy. There's no rocket science involved. So I hope you like the video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.